There's nothing like camping in the great outdoors to put you back in touch with nature and help to recharge your batteries. We love camping in secluded places, but most remote sites don't have picnic tables. A camping table provides a comfortable and convenient place to cook, eat, and play games. More importantly, a table makes a great central point for friends and family to gather and enjoy each other's company. A portable table is infinitely useful, but when you start the search for the perfect one, you'll quickly find that there are a ton of options. In order to help you make the right choice, we have selected and reviewed some of the best folding tables for camping, which are most recommended by professionals and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Coleman Outdoor Folding Table. This is the ultra-compact aluminum folding table ideal for camping and outdoor cookouts. Its aluminum slat top and strong steel frame offer ample support and surface area. Its snap-together design assembles and folds up with ease, and fits into an included lightweight carrying bag for easy carrying and storage. Number 2. GCI Portable Outdoor Folding Table. This portable table designed with slim fold technology that is easy to set up and break down in a flash with its one-piece design. It has an aluminum countertop, a lower rack for storage, and 4 plastic fold-out side tables. The side tables have many features including beverage holders, stem glass holders, and hooks that can be used as a garbage bag holder or to hang cooking utensils. Number 3. Camco Adirondack Portable Folding Table. Multifunctional and convenient tabletop, great for both indoor and outdoor use. It is quick and simple to set up. Just unfold table legs, click them into place, and it is ready to go. It has a perfect size that fits perfectly on your patio, deck, balcony, or porch. Collapses flat for easy storage that can fit in tight and confined spaces. Its foldable design makes for easy toting. Great for traveling and use during camping, tailgating, fishing, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Ideal size for resting drinks and snacks. Serves as a sturdy support for laptops, tablets, and more. Durable structure serves as an excellent side table while at the pool, beach, or campsites. Number 4. ALPS Mountaineering Eclipse Table. Its corner buckle design offers quick setup and adjustable tautness. Its compact foldable design allows you to easily transport and store this table anywhere. Also, its top table level can be used for food and games, while bottom can be used to hold your beverages and extra storage. The Eclipse table is a must-have that everyone will be talking about on your next adventure. Number 5. GCI Outdoor Master Cook Station Folding Table. The Master Cook Station is the perfect addition to your tailgate or camping adventure. It is designed with patent-pending slim fold technology and sets up and breaks down easily with a hassle-free one-piece design. It features an extended aluminum countertop, a lower rack for storage, 3 side tables, a telescoping lantern pole, and a soft-shell sink with a drain that collapses when the unit is folded up. Folds flat and includes a carry handle for transporting it to and from the fun